Okay guys, in this video, I will, okay, this day I will tell you, okay, you know that you are not alone. In fact, you're likely right on track in your ascension process. What has been occurring in the world and like continue for a long while reads. If you are conscious like worker who has been attempting to keep as positive and loving as possible, accepting appealing rates within you might be difficult. You know that staying optimistic and peaceful is always helpful in keeping balance and positive. At some point, the emotions are bound to well up and take over, maybe even causing your physical illness. Therefore, important to learn how to experience and express them in constructive way, allowing this energy to flow through you. So you might think, well, maybe but rates just feel unspiritual. Remember, Jesus outside the temple, opportuning the money changes table this way clearly rates he was experienced. He had enough. Now I'm not saying you should go around people table. Okay? Think you likely have the same inner guidance that Jesus had. And to be clear, it's not talking about saying in the rates of. Okay, it's about allowing yourself to express the rates without making it wrong. Okay, let's say I want to say something. How to face people around you. Okay, toxic environment or toxic people. Okay, how to react. I mean, don't react emotionally. They're waiting your anger, your face changing, your tone shifting. Calm voice, neutral pace, no explanation. The moment you stop reacting, you become boring to them. They stop. That's how this works with toxic people. No reaction, no rewards. And number two, change the subject. They have nothing to worse with your silence. Uncertainty that makes unpredictable, hard to target. Okay. And number three, you start set boundaries. You don't argue, defend, or explain. For example, you have relative who keep asking the money. They're capable of working, but they rely on you. One day, you can say, I'll help you this once. If it's misuse, I won't help again. Say like this. If it's misuse, I won't help again. But if you give again, you taught them your words mean nothing. But if you come say, I already told you my condition, you don't budge. They stop coming because you no longer negotiable. And then you don't chase their validation. Maybe they ask like this. Why did you do that? Why did you buy that? Your response simple. Because I wanted. If they ask again, because I wanted to. Okay? Oh my god, it hurts them more than any argument ever could. You tell them your decision aren't up for debate or word isn't up. When you no longer need their validation, you remove their biggest weapon. You see their games and you don't play. You recognize guilt trip. Okay? The gaslighting for what they are tactics. You just observe, you stay calm, you don't bite. The silent recognition makes them feel seen and exposed, deeply uncomfortable. Someone to try to pick a lock, you know is already open. And then you walk away without drama. No slamming doors, no aggressive. I'm done with you. What you compares toxic. How to s- how to say your enemies for which? Okay? When you accept blame for something you do not do, you can answer this. I am sorry for the things you are not responsible for. Or you can answer like this. I am sorry for something that was not your fault. Okay? I am sorry. I did not mean to upset you, and boom, you just accept responsibility for their mess. I just agree with a lie. Most people Most people with good heart does not like conflict. They want peace. Something shift. You start feeling shame. Does not go away.